In order to make a backup video on the 4-channel DVR, the first thing you have to do is either put in the DVD by pushing the button here, or plug in a thumb drive. The thumb drive will need to be formatted using FAT32 format. Once you've formatted and plugged in your thumb drive or your DVD, we'll go to the graphic user interface and we'll take a look at exactly how best to do this. If you notice, by sliding your mouse all the way over to one side of the screen or the other, a menu pops out. The one we want is right here. It says search. We're going to left click on search, enter our credentials, and it brings us into the player. We can pick the day up here, and down here we see the time bar where it's green right here. Once we've picked a camera or multiple cameras, we can slide this around to the time that we want to watch just by left clicking on the red line and dragging it. Once we think we're where we want to be, we can push play and we can start watching the video on playback. When you have an area where you'd like to start recording, over here to the left, you're going to click on From. It's all the way down here in the corner, From. And then you can see there's some activity on the camera, there are some things happening, stuff is going on. And you can just kind of let this go. You can hit fast forward, you can drag it to the time by left clicking with your mouse and dragging the red line. And once you've reached the point where you've got the information you want, then you click 2. Once that's done, you can pause the video, and there's a button right here that says Archive. You can see it right here, Archive. We click on Archive, it wants our password. And then it asks, do you want to do channel 1, 2, 3, or 4? We're going to do channel 1 during the times that we've already selected. And you have an option. You can either do it to a USB or you can do it to a DVD. For now, we're going to do it to a USB. And we're always going to pick the EXE format. And then we'll give it a name. Test 2. We'll click OK. And then over here, we're going to click OK again. You could save it with or without a password. For our purposes, we're going to save it without a password. Click OK. And then it's going to burn this information to the thumb drive. It's going to say OK, and we're going to click on the complete button. And at this point in time, we have burned the video.